Hello everyone, so now let's look at question 3. Question 3 is also a kind of complex fraction calculation problem. So first step about this question is just to observe the numbers inside the sequence. You see 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 2, 4, 6, 2, 20. Okay, all this number is kind of even number. So we like even number very much. The even number means all the numbers can be divided by 2. So why not put 1 over 2 outside the bracket? So this one will become 1 over 2 times bracket 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 2 plus blah 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 plus 2 1 over 1 plus 2 plus blah 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 plus 2 10. Okay, you see these numbers in the denominator is very familiar, right? So this one is just the arithmetic sequence. So remember, the sum of arithmetic sequence, we can use this formula to represent. The first number plus the end number in times 10 divided by 2 equals to the sum. Okay, so why not we use this formula to represent all the things under the denominator? So it will become 1 over 2 times 2 over 1 times 2 plus 2 over 2 times 3 plus blah 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 plus 2 over 10 times 11. So someone may ask why we have a numerator, why we have a 2 on the numerator. That's because divide by 2, right? All the denominator have a common divide by 2. So divide by 2 on the denominator is just a flip to the numerator. It will become 2 on the numerator. So the sequence will become 1 over 2 times this part inside the bracket. So you can observe it. We all have a 2 on the numerator. So why not put this 2 outside the bracket? So the sequence will become 1 over 2 times 2 times this bracket. So 1 over 2 times 2, yeah, we like it very much because it just equals to 1. So we can write it like 1 over 1 times 2 plus 1 over 2 times 3 plus blah 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 plus 2, 1 over 10 times 11. So the next step, you can observe the denominator. The product, we have all several products, right? So 1 times 2, 2 times 3. Maybe you find it, the difference between these two numbers on the denominator is just the numerator. 2 minus 1 equals to 1, 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So we can find the difference between the two products in the denominator is just equals to the numerator. Okay, so this one we can use the method of difference to separate this fraction. So use this method, we can rewrite this one like 1 minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3 plus blah 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 plus 2, 1 over 10 minus 1 over 11. Okay, you see? Yeah, let's use this red pen. You see? This one, the later one can be cancelled by the next term's former one. So this one can be cancelled by this one can be cancelled by this one, and this one can be cancelled by this one. After that, you see 1 over 10. Must be a minus 1 over 10 before it. So these two parts also can be cancelled. So the remaining part of this sequence is just 1 minus 1 over 11. So the answer is 10 over 11. Okay, here's this question. So remember, for this kind of question, the first step is to observe. Okay, we find out all even number on the denominator, so why not put 1 over 2 outside it? And next, you observe, yeah, the remaining part is just the arithmetic sequence. Use the formula of sum of arithmetic sequence. You can rewrite the sequence like that. Also, you find out the difference between the products in the denominator is just equals to the numerator. Now we can use the method of difference to separate this kind of fraction. Then after that, cancel. The remaining part will become a very easy number, 1 minus 1 over 11. After that, you can find out the correct answer. Okay.